ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang humuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa higit mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, tuyak ka ng mahiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil. Sa nalagang tulog sa simoy at sa langit mong pagkaw, ay nilagang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng patawad mo'y tagumpay na nagiging. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may magdidinig. Lupa ng araw ng walhaging pagsinta, buhay ng isang mo. Aming ligaya naman may pangakit, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is DZWT DTV Channel 15.1, a commercial digital television station transmitting on an assigned frequency with authorized power output, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission with NTC Temporary Permit Number BSD 0378-2023, authorized to operate effective January 2nd, 2022 until December 31, 2026. This station, together with its affiliated low-power networks, is owned and operated by the Wawakivan Broadcasting Company, a division of Global Media Network Philippines Incorporated, under Global Media International, part of Far East Media America and Global. The main WBC facilities and studios are located at the WBC Complex, Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The WTN and other TV channels transmitters is located as Palos Verdes Subdivision, Barangay Santa Cruz, Sumulong Highway, Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. This station operates under the supervision of duly licensed electronics and communications engineers and first-class radio telephone operators, registered with the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. All broadcast programs, station identifications, and network properties are protected by law. Unauthorized use, duplication, or rebroadcast without the express written consent of WBC and the Global Media Network Philippines Incorporated is strictly prohibited. Violators will be subject to civil and criminal liability. For comments, inquiries, technical concerns, please contact us. This is Wawakivan Broadcasting Company, tahanan ng bagong Pilipino. Now signing on.
light is blazing, no courage to lead the way. Every dream is worth embracing, while a given will never sway. While a given show you. Everlasting be your name. Through the night and through the morning, through the joy and through the pain, every dawn the truth adorning, war of even still remain. Through the years your life is gleaming, telling stories far and near. Every heart with hope is beating, every voice is proud and clear. With each step the world grows brighter, with each word we find our song. Hand in hand our bonds brought together, wow of giving will lead us strong. Wow of giving our pride and glory, bold and free we stand as one. Through each voice will tell the story, till the setting of the sun. Every star above is shining, guiding us to brighter day. Through the years we keep on climbing, while of even will light the way.
Oh, diba? Nakakapagod.
Ang aming high-quality digital box namin. Meron HD sa loob, may artificial intelligence na mic para sa mga channel, at marami pa. Ito ang bagong FBC All-Around Digibox. Hanggang sa Brand X, hindi gagana at may low quality. Pero sa aming Digibox, may high quality, libreng palabas, may AI, at lahat pa. Meron pang kaming special na FBC at WBC channels. Bili na sa mga appliances sa mga malls nationwide, 55 pesos lang. Kayo mga gugupinos, handa ka na ba sa bagong super show namin? May tatawa, may umiyak, at marami pa. Mula sa Gugu Philippines, sa weekends, 9 p.m. dito sa FBC. Ang collab sa DZER. Ito po ang 93.9. KC Teletambayan.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
The words of God heal. Walang napakagandang pamumuhay sa mundo, hindi nabubuhay kang may patayan.
One of the most important things in life is to know the essence of living.
Let us analyze. Let us serve nobody else than God. You will be hearing from Brother Eli things that you need to hear from the Bible. Find a preacher now in this time who is reading in details all answers to who is Christ. Is He God or man? May dating tayo sa Diyos. Yun ang dati. Jesus is the King of Kings. O Señor mesmo, o ser de Él, está en todo lugar, porque es necesario para sa lugar. The church must be called the church of God.
He that is of God
meron po tayong kanya-kanyang mga interes sa buhay. Hindi po nawawala yon. Kaya lang, siguro kung makakapag-advise kami ng isang bagay na mahalaga, sana po sa tao, sa mundo, ang ating priority yung bagay na pangkaluluwa. Ang atin po ngayong sosyedad, ang kanyang, there is a very big vacuum in our society, in our way of lives, pagdating po sa tinatawag na spiritualism. Marami po ngayon ang mga ideolohiya, mga paniniwala, na alam mong mali, outright mali.